again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are working on getting John's seat installed in the Miata. The nice thing is I'm going to start this in the room by getting it attached to the mounts and everything, and then we'll take it out to the garage and get it installed. Okay, so this seat mount specifically makes it to where you can hook up your lower harnesses to the mount itself. So I'm just installing that little bracket first before I get any further. Okay, so John doesn't like that. I always have my seats really high because I'm short, and I also have them really sat forward so I can see over the hood. John does not like that about my seats, so I'm trying to set this up to where the front is a little higher so he has a little more like recline in the seat. So I'm setting this one at 3 and this one up front at 2 because he's not the tallest person, but he's also definitely not as short as I am. So hopefully this is right. And you know what? If it's not, we're gonna have to change it later. But I'm just guessing so that we have a way to sit in the car. Okay, so to do the seat install, I'm actually going to move the car outside just because it's really nice out today and I'm trying to enjoy that, as well as there's just going to be more room outside than doing it next to the other car. So let's move this thing outside and then get the seat in. Okay, got the seat lined up. So I'm just gonna get the bolts in there. Pretty simple, actually. This part's the easy part. It's all the other stuff that's ridiculous. Okay, based on how I can reach the pedals, I might have actually done this like pretty much perfectly. So fingers crossed. Because John can fit in the red Miata better than I can because the seat's set up for him. And when I'm in there, I can only get the clutch in if I'm on my tippy toe. So I think this might be close. All right, there is the seat all in. It looks really good. I only undid a little bit of the wrapping on the roll bar selfishly because we're gonna do like 2 events with this and then put it into my end seat. So I wasn't exactly trying to take all the wrapping off and get this thing messed up. Look, it's becoming a race car. This is only a temporary seat for testing, and then it'll probably end up being the passenger seat. Because obviously once we go wheel to wheel, he's gonna need a full containment seat. So this is gonna change again. Yay. But when it changes, hopefully it's him that has to change it and not me this time. Because I hate doing seats. But it's in, and I think it's gonna fit him well. So yay. All right, the seat is in. I think it looks pretty good, and I'm hoping that the fitment is gonna be right for John because it doesn't quite fit me right, so I think that means it should fit him. with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.